Instagram is a great platform to share photos and videos with friends, family, and followers. However, there may be times when you find that your actions are blocked and you can't like or comment on posts. In this video, I'll show you how to fix action blocked on Instagram so you can get back to sharing what's going on in your life. So without wasting any more time, let's get started right away. So first of all, open up the Instagram application and then go over to your profile. And once you are in your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings. So once you are on the Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Log Out. And then exit the Instagram app, open up your Google Play Store, and search for a VPN. You can download any one of these free VPNs because they are kind of the same and you will only need a VPN for a couple of minutes. So I am already using NordVPN, so I am going to open that up and then, once you have opened up the VPN, connect to a server that is located anywhere in the world. This will change your IP address, and that's going to eliminate any IP bans that Instagram might have used. And then go back to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Then what you want to do is uninstall the app from your phone. And after that, you want to download it again. The reason for this is that it will clear all of your data that is associated with Instagram from your device. So, once you uninstalled the app, reinstall it again and make sure that you are connected to the VPN while downloading the app. And once the fresh version of the Instagram app is installed on your device, open it up. And then you want to log into Instagram while the VPN is still connected. Make sure the VPN is connected and then log in. And that should fix your issue. So the reason why you might have got this action block is that you might have performed too many actions in a short amount of time, and Instagram might have suspected that you are a bot or you are using a bot to do these actions. So if you want to prevent something like this from ever happening again, simply take it slow and don't do too many actions too quickly, and definitely don't use any bots, because Instagram will catch you and they will punish you by blocking your actions. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.